Okay, welcome to my grade 7 class for science. In this unit, we're learning about making structures strong, the truss, arch, and the dome. This is a class I did on April 29th, already online through Google Meets. On Google Meets, I usually do screen sharing, so they can actually see me go through the slides on here. Before I start each lesson, I give my students a discussion question, an innovative question on science. So this is a zip stitch, so a stitching mechanism that actually you can use by yourself. You don't have to go to the doctors to get stitches. And then they get their discussion question. I usually give them about five minutes on this so they can watch the video and then answer the questions, and we might have a little discussion over Google Meets as well. So we were learning about the truss, arch, and dome. Usually I would go through them more specifically, and I would go and show them some examples, which would be right here. And then that would be the lesson. I'd go in more depth depending on how much time we have. I usually do 30-minute classes. Grade 7s get 30 minutes, and grade 8s get 30 minutes. So we usually have some time for assignment. I gave them a break that week, but this assignment would be posted. Then the references where I got everything. And then if we look over here, I also have where I post all their assignments, which is on Google Classroom, and their link to the Google Meet is right here actually. So it makes it kind of easy just to kind of do my Google Meets with the slideshow, and then all my markings right here, and all the assignments are posted. As you can see right here, online science, I would post it right there, and they do their assignments, and I mark them here, and grades, and the people in my class. So just kind of show you how I've been operating over the last couple months in terms of my lessons. Enjoy your day, and have a good one.